girl. It's him again.
Malaysian man gifts his girlfriend Sydney there to check about financials. I should be sure you got one given time. Like, because of the dollars that he used to have. So, of course, that can be a skill for our job. That makes a lot.
Look how cute this one is. It's a little croissant. Oh no, the plastic of the frame is making it glitter. I think this isn't my best work, but it's cute enough. Hello, welcome to another Life in New York vlog. I recently moved to New York a few months ago and I am still trying to get a hold of the city. It definitely has been a lot better to get to know the city because the weather is good. And I'm excited because it's now spring. In my previous video, I did set up my apartment with me. There's still a few things here and there that I haven't completely set up yet. Firstly, I got more hangers. So ever since I hung this one up, I was like, I kind of need more because hangers you can use to act as fill up wall space with, you know, some of your clothes, your bags, adds color. The apartment is really coming together. I'm so happy to call this place mine. Starting to call this place home. I don't know if New York has felt like home yet. Still very much feels like I'm here temporarily. This is a good height. And voila! Doesn't it look like it fills up a lot of the empty space? I think this is actually a really good hack. If your ceilings are really high like mine, just finding hangers, hang it, it just makes it feel like there's not as much empty space. It's him again. Hello. Guys, it's Jungkook. Bro, it's rosé too. It's a beautiful day today, so we are heading to go get Taiwanese food. I've been craving Taiwanese food, and I'm meeting up with a girl from Bumble who's also Taiwanese, so perfect match. It's been recommended on TikTok, so a little slightly sussed because so far all the TikTok recommendations of food that I have gone to has not been a hit for me. Thank you.
Great idea to do with your besties in NYC. Vintage photo booth at the Whitney Suite. Look how cute.
It's spring in New York. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. The sun is out. Literally cannot ask for more. We got food! And it's really cheap, so it'll taste even better. How is it? Good? So good.
Fast enough so we can fly away.
No.
Make a decision. Leave tonight, live and die this way.
Wow. Oh, this reminds me of Taiwan so much. Oh, it's yummy. Good morning. I am getting ready to go to Pilates today. I haven't gone in almost a month now, which is bad because I had a lot of progress. In the beginning when I was starting to do Pilates, I could not touch my toes, and in the 9 private sessions that I've had so far, I was getting there. But now since I haven't gone in a month, I'm scared because I haven't done any exercises in between, and so I don't think my trainer is going to be too happy about that. That was one of the hardest workouts. I'm currently at the office. I also made myself a peppermint tea because it helps with digestion.
Alright, there's a lot in here because they do have full year too, but I was planning to just run through. We will obviously send this through, but I was planning to run through like the typical slides we run through. I don't think anything's like super groundbreaking that's new, but
I'm getting a little stressed out. I have just returned back from Prague. One of my best friends and I, we do like a cute little pen pal thing. So whenever we go visit somewhere, or if there's like someone's birthday, we send each other little letters. These are the few Prague postcards that I got. It is not the cutest. I'm gonna be giving her this one because her favorite color is blue. It's like a bunch of little cutout of like magazines, and then they put it onto like a collage. And then my favorite color is pink, so I'm gonna keep this in my room. I'll put it like on my wall somewhere there. I've never really had to write letters ever because we're just not in the day and age that we use it, but here I am. This feels so odd that I have to Google how to like write a letter. We're gonna cook a whole fish. We're having a fish for dinner today, and I have never like cooked a full-on like raw like fish. So they said the salt will get rid of any of the fishy smell and taste, like the taste that you don't want. Taste it. Camilla just came back from the gym.
yeah.
Okay, I hope it's not salty. Really? Oh, really? Okay. Wait. This is good. I have never cooked a fish like this. Dude, if you ever come to Taiwan and you come to my grandparents' house,
I will come to Taiwan.
You just
all the
that's
home
better.
foods that they make, you'd love it.
Oh, my grandparents do.
Yeah?
I'm sure you love it.
Okay, I'm ready to go.